Thank you, Speaker. The Minister of Culture has missed the point, and tourism, of course, is that the travel agents are listed as eligible for this program. However, the application says you require a TICO registration number, and the agents have a TICO certificate number, so they are being left out. Carol, who is a member of the Association of Canadian Independent Travel Advisors, has written to this government, to this ministry, as have I as well, along with the Associate Minister of Small Business and Red Tape Reduction, as well as to the Premier. And none of us have heard back from this Conservative government on our advocacy to independent travel agents. So my question, Speaker, this time to the Minister of Heritage, Sport, Tourism and Culture Industries is, how are we going to help independent travel agents if this government is not providing them any funding whatsoever and they have no other funding stream?
Thank you. And to reply, Minister of Heritage, Sport, Tourism and Culture Industries.
I just wanted to be very clear that the Ontario Tourism Recovery Program is aimed at accommodations and attraction businesses that are key generators of paid tourism visits to a region and a significant contributor to the area's economy and job creation. My priority is for the tourism economy in Ontario to be restored, not the tourism economy in the Dominican Republic or in Florida or in Mexico. My priority is to make sure that people want to visit back in Ontario at the appropriate time, which is why that particular fund is dedicated toward those key anchor attractions, which is why we invested not only $100 million into that area, but also over $100 million into Ontario's iconic cultural institutions, an additional $35 million into our Ontario arts sector, and that's why we invested $8.6 million to eligible travel agents through the Tourism Small Business Support Grant, which was nearly 10% of the entire allocation of the budget's program. Travel agents and wholesalers were required.
Thank you very much. Thank you.